In this presentation, I'm going to show you the best types of content to include in your membership site. A membership website is nothing more than a value exchange. As long as you continue to deliver value to your members, they'll continue to give benefit to you in the form of continued subscription payments. So what content can you include in your membership site to ensure that you keep up your side of the bargain? Here are the best kinds of content to add to keep your subscribers happy. Course. A common type of content that you will find on membership sites are online courses. If you are teaching one or more subjects with a specific start and end point, along with well-defined learning objectives and outcomes, then turning this into a course will serve your subscribers well. The course can either be short, around 30 minutes, or longer, spanning several hours. Webinars. If you don't want to develop your content upfront, then you can run live webinars or training calls on a regular basis. The webinar format is also the perfect way to encourage discussion among those attending and is suited to bringing in guest experts. Member calls. Another live format that you can use is a member Q&A call, or what is known as a mastermind call. The structure and arrangement of the mastermind call can vary according to the kind of topic or community that you have, but it should be focused on providing your members an opportunity to ask questions and highlighting and sharing their success. Content archives. The downside of providing live content is that you need to attend live to get the most benefit. To help with this, you should be recording all of your live sessions and adding them to an archive inside your site. This will ensure that if a subscriber misses the live session, that they won't lose out. This will also provide you with a valuable backlog of material that you can give new members, increasing the value of your membership offering. Downloads. Offering your members exclusive downloads, especially if it is resources, software, or tools that aren't accessible elsewhere, or you would have to pay a premium to access. In some instances, the convenience of packing up resources that people would have to spend time gathering themselves will add enough extra value. These are just some of the types of content that you should consider adding to your membership site. The most successful websites are those that have a mix of material.